Hello, this is Richard from Hypermotive showing you our Porsche Cayenne. It's the 3-litre V6 with the e-hybrid, finished in Carrara white. It's metallic colour. .22-inch Carrara Sport wheels, black interior. This one's a platinum edition, so it's got very high spec, adaptive cruise control. It's got the 18-way adjustable seats, panoramic glass roof, the front seats are heated and memory. It's got the BOSE sound system too. The black badges, black window surround, which goes nicely against the white. This model's done just over 25,000 miles. It's got full Porsche service history. If you've got any questions, or if you want to arrange an appointment to come have a look at it, book a test drive, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Speak to you soon. Thank you for looking.